start that thing up.
Oh, nice. So it's really quiet. Different settings, huh?
Yeah, low and high. And then it's not good for carpeting. It's just good for basically tiles, linoleum, hardwood. Doing some bird feed up here for more birds. And on a low carpet it works fine, looks like. It has a roller brush underneath that is kind of different. It doesn't have a brush at all. It's more of a paint roller type brush. It doesn't have any kind of bristles. There you go. It works pretty good, and it actually it amazed me because it works pretty good on the low carpeting as well. So there you go. Good little vehicle. Good little vehicle. Good little vacuum. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Thanks. Take care.